bar exam na naman. Pero dapat ito na ang huli ninyong bar exam. At ito lang ang bar exam na kukunin ninyo. So ano ba ang mga dapat gawin? Number one, pray. Become lawyers, all the more that you will be prayerful. Kasi in every pleading you submit, there's always a prayer. And keep calm. Kalmado lang. Masyado magpanik. Then read the questions very well. When you read with understanding. And do not stay too long in a particular question. Remember, marami pa kayong dapat basahin at sagutin. And then spot the right issue in every item. Kasi you might have the right answer for the wrong questions. Mahirap yan. And then be responsive to the question. Say what you mean and mean what you say. Huwag na paligoy-ligoy. Diba? At if there's a need to say yes or no, say so. And then defend later on. But remember, when you write your answers, there must be a reason. Kaya nga ni Pink, just give me a reason. Ayun yung kay Pink, si Lady Gaga, a million reasons. Okay? Do not volunteer information that are uncalled for. Kasi yung iba nag-volunteer ng information hindi naman hinihingi. And then yung another tip, yung KISS, K-I-S-S. Keep it short and simple. Again, just say what you mean what you say. With the reasons. Okay? And base your answers on law and jurisprudence. Hindi kayo maliligaw kapag ka-caudal ang binasehan ninyo o kaya yung jurisprudence. Hindi naman kailangan na i-cite pa ninyo yung citation yan. Basta sabihin nyo lang according to a decision of the Supreme Court. Pwede na yan. At do not be like Taylor Swift. Babagsak kayo dyan. Ano ba yung Taylor Swift? Blank space. On the other hand, pursue your wildest dream. So yan, hindi nyo kailangan pa magpunta ng Singapore. So yan. So good luck to all of you. And my prayers are with you so that you will make it this time around. And if this is your first time, dapat makapasa kayo. At good luck doon sa aking pamangkin na si Ria Castillo na magte-take din ng bar. At sa lahat ng mga estudyante natin sa law school at yung mga hindi ko naging estudyante pero nasa School of Law ng UMA. Okay? Good luck to all of you and may God bless you all.